In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Replit project link. If you're looking to share your coding project with a friend, colleague, or collaborator, this process will make it incredibly easy for you to invite them directly into your workspace. We will walk through each step on Replit, ensuring you understand how to share your project effectively. First, you'll want to open your Replit project. Once you have it up and running, take a moment to familiarize yourself with your workspace. The user interface is pretty straightforward. Essentially, you'll have your code editor front and center with various panels to the sides. It's always good to ensure you're comfortable navigating around since there are quite a lot of handy features available. Once your project is loaded, you'll notice a button labeled Share, conveniently positioned in the top right corner of the editor. This is your gateway to sharing the collaborative coding experience with others. When you're ready, click this Share button. This will open up a new section dedicated to inviting collaborators and sharing your work. In this section, you'll find the Invite Collaborator area. What you're looking for here is something called the Private Join link. This link is crucial because it acts as the doorway for others to access your project. The great thing about it being a private link is that only those you trust and invite can enter. This adds a layer of security to your collaboration, ensuring that your code remains private and is only shared with those who have the link. Now, to actually share this link with someone, you need to click Copy Link. This action will copy the private join link to your clipboard, making it easy to paste wherever necessary. You might want to send it in an email or a direct message, depending on your preferred method of communication. Once you have copied the link, the final step is to send it to the person you want to collaborate with. Whether it's a teammate, a mentor, or just a friend who is also interested in the project, ensure that you paste the link into your chat or email and send it their way. By following these steps, you're well on your way to effective collaboration on Replit. Just remember, when sharing your private join link, be mindful of who you send it to, as anyone with the link can access your project. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this walkthrough useful and that you're now ready to start collaborating on Replit with ease. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy coding.